So today is a strange day because we are going to the parks and we're not going to the parks. After the excitement of yesterday's proposal, we have decided
we're having to chill.
We're having a chill. Nathan's at his knee again, and mine's playing up. How are you doing?
I'm just happy to
Me when I saw the doing it.
I finally went to one store where they had one hat left and another woman saw it. Oh, I cannot believe a person would push a perfect stranger out of the way, step on her hat, and give her an elbow to the forehead just for a Batman hat. But I did it anyway.
How about you? So we're going to Blizzard Beach today, and then we're going drinking.
I don't like this stuff.
We're going drinking. I've already started packing, so Nathan's upset. So I'm going to use the GoPro, so the footage might be a little bit different.
Footage will be shit, basically.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say
I didn't respond to line, it's not clearing it up. No, that's all.
Why? Why?
Do you on your back?
Oh, it's you on your pass, yeah. Cast member said welcome home, so you have to.
It's because we were ripping the piss out.
Yeah.
I didn't say that. So yeah, well, I'll make it.
I said welcome home and hers didn't. Hi there! Look at them defacing the park. Stop cleaning the pool.
Oh, girl, do it.
Is now not the time to tell your ring's coming?
So gross.
This is kind of gross, I'm not gonna lie. Right, come on, kids. You come in. You come in. Lady in the lake. Would you like a sword? I'm getting chicken nuggets from here because they're fucking the bomb. I'm not being funny, but it's cold. It's really cold. I hope it gets hotter.
Go to the pool. I'd buy these.
Lazy
These armchair. Yeah, I'd have a lazy river round my property. If I had the amount, if I had decent money.
Cool. They're expensive to maintain.
Yeah.
You're expensive.
If I had a lot of money though, you wouldn't care, would you?
Why do I hear someone peeing?
Yeah, why do I hear water?
It's time to die.
I fucking hate this tunnel.
Oh my god, I know what's coming.
No.
Let's just say.
Should we get out there?
Nah.
No, it's too late now.
No, it's not. We can go back.
It's the whole experience of the Wolf operator.
We can go back. We can go back. We can go back to that there.
I hate this bit.
We're in this together.
My legs, you dickhead.
Fuck! Oh, it's such a slither.
I'm a slither claw, thank you very much. Why have we stopped?
Because we're not going.
She's pushing up the floor.
Are you slowing us down?
I'm not looking.
Yes, you are. Now we're moving.
Now we're moving.
Now we're moving.
Oh no, it's broken. Let's go.
I was doing this.
Oh no.
I was using a motor.
The lazy river.
It's broken.
This bit sucks.
I'm not so convinced after I just heard that.
It's ice cold.
You went, and then, shipper.
Craig, fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off.
Someone's got that one direction, yeah.
Fuck off.
Recording. That's sunny here, man.
Get off. Get off. Oh, Craig, this is so nice.
Yeah,
This is such a lovely marriage, Craig. No.
It's so cold.
You're an asshole. I can't see you.
Good money for that kind of treatment.
Did I?
Yeah?
Let them pay then,
So Raquel, how are you finding Blizzard Beach?
I love it.
I love it here.
I will say, I do miss Typhoon Lagoon.
I miss Typhoon. I wish they'd open it back up.
Typhoon
Oh, it's cold.
Lagoon. But it's good.
It is good.
At home, it's snowing.
Yeah.
Like really badly.
You
We
imagine?
stood in a white pool.
Yeah. Can't argue. Ooh.
The wave's coming. The wave's coming because I'll drown. I'm gonna drown.
The waves? They're coming! They're coming!
Stop it.
Fucking ass. Everyone's had a good time.
Everyone's had a good time.
Oh, Christ. It's cold. It's really cold.
Oh, okay. The right slide. I thought it was been beached.
Oh, it's not cold anymore.
It's a windstorm.
Oh, yeah.
That one was really